If you feel like you have to walk on eggshells around your child just to keep the peace, that's not helping them recover. It's actually one of the reasons nothing is holding. So give me the next 5 minutes and I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it without pushing your child further away. I'll also show you how to use a simple restorative life management communication framework that helps you say the right thing at the right time without triggering conflict or shutdown. My name is Rich Jones R, and I've worked with families in this exact position where they're doing everything they can do to help, but it feels like every move could make things worse. In every video, I give you one thing you can actually apply immediately. No theory, no guesswork. Here's the reality most parents don't say out loud. You're constantly calculating. Should I say something? Should I let this go? Is this going to push them away? So you stay quiet when you shouldn't, and you speak up when it's already too late. So what happens? You try to keep things calm. You avoid certain conversations. You soften your approach. You let things slide to prevent conflict. But because you're thinking, at least this way, we're not making it worse. But here's the problem. When you remove tension, you also remove structure. And without structure, there's no accountability, no consistency, no real world pressure to change. So your child learns how to stay comfortable without actually progressing. And that's where the cycle continues. So here's how to fix it using what I call the restorative life management communication and control framework. Step one, separate emotions from structure. You don't need to be more emotional or less emotional. You need to be clear. Structure isn't punishment, it's direction. Second thing, communicate from position, not reaction. Most conversations happen in reaction after something goes wrong. Instead, establish communication that is predictable, consistent, and grounded in expectations, not feelings in the moment. Step three, reinforce through daily interaction. This is where most families break down. You don't rely on big talks. You create daily low friction communication loops that reinforce expectations, build awareness, and guide behavior over time. So, why does this solution work? Because it removes the guessing. You're no longer asking, am I making this worse? You're operating from a system where every interaction has purpose, every message builds consistency, and your role becomes clear again. If you want help implementing this, I put together a daily restorative life management communications framework that you can start using immediately. It gives you the exact structure for what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. Consistency without escalating conflict. So instead of walking on eggshells, you're finally leading with clarity. The goal isn't to avoid tension, it's to create the kind of structure that actually holds when reality hits.